Welcome to another video in the marketing series on my YouTube channel. And in today's video, we will talk about how to create a lead generation funnel for your new business. So if you're starting a new business today, this week, this month, sometime soon, this is how you could work and create a lead generation sales funnel for your new business. This strategy also works for existing businesses. But today I wanted to talk about a free organic lead generation strategy for people who will want to start a new business. But if you're already running a business and you don't have a lead magnet, a lead generation funnel for your business organic, this is what you need to do. So let's get started. So I'll take you through each step, and I'll also show you some research work that you need to do in order to create and implement this strategy. So first of all, since we are talking about a new business, let's start working on one idea. So what is our business idea that we will take as an example today? Let's say we want to start and provide business intelligence solutions for small and medium digital marketing agencies. So this is a broad view of what is the new business that we are going to start. Suppose you are a person who is good with data, who understands BI tools like Looker Studio by Google or Power BI by Microsoft or Zoho Analytics or any other third-party tool, or you are a programmer yourself and you could create your own BI tool, or you're good with Excel macros and Google spreadsheets, and you can automate reports on Excel or Google Sheets. So you would want to provide these business intelligence solutions, automated dashboards and reports to owners of small and medium digital marketing agencies. So that's who your customer is, and that's what the solution is what you're going to provide. Coming to your lead generation strategy, you need to figure out that what are some pain points or problems that you would solve for your target customer. Now here, this pain point is not what you provide as a service. So your BI solutions or your BI software is not what we are going to talk about here. For the lead generation strategy, you need to identify a problem of your customer for which they are looking for a free or a low-cost solution. That would be the entry point for those customers into your business. That's where you would collect their business contact details and hence generate a lead. So with reference to this business, a BI solution for marketing agencies, what are some pain points for owners of small and medium marketing agencies? Now, their end clients often complain about inadequate reporting and metrics tracking. Now, what these small agencies usually do is at the end of the month or every fortnight, they would send some Excel reports or PowerPoint presentations to the end clients with some standard charts and tables and reports. These are not often real-time, not automated, and do not really provide a great visual to the end customer to understand how the campaign is progressing or how their business is making progress. Because normally these agencies are creative, they're good with campaign planning, campaign implementation, but they're not equally good with data reporting and analysis. And that's where your business comes into picture. So what you understood here is that your target customers, which are small and medium marketing agencies, have a problem that their end clients often complain about inadequate reporting and metrics tracking. So now what could you do with this information? How can we use this pain point of our prospective customers for lead generation? So the first action is that how, what, and where do these clients search for a solution? Now you've identified a problem that these marketing agencies often receive complaints from their clients about inadequate reporting, not having enough transparency in the campaign progress, and the tracking of important marketing KPIs. So how do these customers, your customers, which are the owners of marketing agencies, where do they search for an easy solution or a free solution? So for that, we need to do a thorough keyword research, which we would do as an example in this video. So the second action is You understand a pain point, you do a thorough keyword research to understand what and where are they searching for a solution. Next, once you understand that, okay, there is a keyword which they are searching for and there is some potential for you, what can then you offer as a free or low cost solution so that the customer downloads or seeks your help and in return gives you his or her business information. So the next action is you implement it and you monitor the solution. So we'll go ahead and we will check these 4 action points for this example business that we've discussed today. Now, the ideal place to start your keyword research to understand how customers search for a solution is by coming to Google. Now, you know that, okay, customers are looking for automated reports for marketing. So a standard term would be a dashboard. So let's see if there are searches for marketing dashboard. So you could see here you have marketing dashboard KPIs, but marketing dashboard Power BI is a relevant example. Marketing dashboard Excel is something another that you could see, or you could go ahead and see marketing dashboard template free, marketing dashboard template Google Sheets. So you know that, okay, since Google is suggesting these as a search query, that people are searching for these templates on Google. Similarly, you could go ahead and check it on YouTube as well, or you could use a keyword tool. Here I'm using RF's keyword generator. I would leave the link in the video description. So here, if I go ahead and type marketing dashboard Excel, which was suggested in Google, if you choose the territory here as per where you are located and where your customers are located, and you have options for Google, Bing, YouTube, Amazon. So choose the platform and then click on find keywords. Now, like all other keyword tools, RFs will also give us an estimate that, okay, people are searching for marketing dashboard Excel template, digital marketing dashboard Excel. So here you have a list of keywords that people are using in order to look for a solution for their problem. Now, here you have another useful resource. If you see HubSpot, now HubSpot is one of the largest sales and marketing CRM providers, and you could see that they too are providing a free marketing dashboard for Excel and Google Sheets. So it's a free template. So if you see that, okay, companies are trying to use this pain point of customers and clients to lure them, give them a free solution, and collect their contact details. So what you could do is you could use this HubSpot's website URL to understand what keywords are they using to drive traffic and collect business leads. For that, we will head to Ubersuggest. Again, I will leave the link for both the HubSpot page and Ubersuggest. So in Ubersuggest, you would go to keyword research and you would go to keywords by traffic, where you will enter the HubSpot URL. You choose your territory. Let's say here it's English, India. Let's say if you want to do it for United States. So I will change it to United States and I will click on search. So let's see the kind of keywords that drive traffic to this page for HubSpot. So here you have the options here. Let me just zoom out a little. Now here, if you see, so what are the keywords? It's not visible. Let me just, yes. So marketing dashboard in Excel. Its volume was less, but it's a B2B business. Dashboard Excel template. This is more generic. It talks about different kinds of dashboard. But marketing dashboard Excel template, dashboard template again, free marketing dashboards. So you could see that all these keywords are driving free traffic to this HubSpot URL. And what this website also gives you is the position for HubSpot. So let's see, for HubSpot marketing dashboard, that's a branded search. It's ranking number 3. But for something like a dashboard for Excel or a dashboard template in Excel or marketing dashboard Excel, what are the positions for HubSpot and what is the difficulty level if you want to compete with existing websites there? So you get a fair view or what are the keywords that are driving traffic to websites that are already ranking for these keywords, who are providing similar free solutions to your target customers. So you could use these as a reference. You could choose what keywords you want to use, and you could create free solutions. So go ahead and check the results on Google for all these keywords. Create a list of 5, 10, 15 keywords that you could create content for on your website, for which you could create videos on YouTube, and you start ranking for those keywords. Now, once that happens, when customers search for these keywords, you could then go ahead and collect their contact details just like HubSpot does. And once you have the contact details, that's when you start an email workflow, or you even call the customers and check that would they be interested in using an advanced version of a BI tool or a business intelligence dashboard? Would they want to use an app or a software that you have created? So this is a very easy method to understand a pain point of your customer, create a free or a low cost solution, and drive traffic to a landing page or a video on YouTube or your website. Give them a free or a low cost solution and collect contact details of the clients for your sales teams to start calling them, talking to them, engaging them, and then selling your services or products. How can you use this strategy to create a lead generation funnel for your business? Now, if you look at my previous video on how I use a lead magnet for my business, you will get some insights there. But in case if you would like to talk about specific problems for your target customers that you could solve, and what are these solutions that you could create for your target customers, comment below in the video. I'll reply to your queries. Or you can visit my website, www.bmblog.in. The link is in the description. Share your queries with me. I'll reply to you at the earliest. And if you need to really talk about it, then we could schedule a one-on-one consultation and we could talk to each other, and I could give you real insights on how you could create a similar lead magnet for your business, existing or new. So hope you enjoy these little insights on my channel. Please do subscribe for notifications for all future sales, marketing, and business strategy videos. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and be safe.